I'm going to talk to you about assets and liabilities and investments in terms of your YouTube channel and your videos. Now, you've probably heard people talking about assets and liabilities when they're talking about videos and YouTube channels, but have you ever wondered what those terms really mean when it comes to having an impact on your bank account and your pocket? Is your YouTube channel an asset or a liability? Hello, my name's Jeff from Video Cashflow, and in this video I'm going to pose the question as to whether your YouTube channel is an asset or liability. Now, why this question? Well, interestingly enough, I'm seeing a lot of people get sucked in, whether it's here on YouTube or on other social media sites, where people are talking about assets and investments, but people don't really appreciate what those two terms mean. Now, I'm going to go back to basics here, move away from YouTube for the time being. Have you heard of Robert Kiyosaki? Robert Kiyosaki has produced a series of books, the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series of books, where he sets out the fundamentals of understanding finances. And the two books in particular that, if you haven't read them already, I'd highly recommend. The first one is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and the second one is Cashflow Quadrant. Now, what Mr. Kiyosaki is saying, that the number one issue that I got from those books was that to determine an asset, you needed to determine which way cash flows. So in other words, if cash is flowing into your bank account or into your pocket, then the vehicle that helped to provide that positive cash flow is an asset. Likewise, if your cash is going out of your bank account or out of your pocket, then the vehicle that is causing that to happen is a liability. So cash in, asset; cash out, liability. So if you just remember that basic principle, you won't go far wrong. Okay, so that little lesson is over now. So let's go back to YouTube and your YouTube channel. Is your YouTube channel an asset or a liability? Well, when you first start out, obviously, when you're setting up your YouTube channel, you may get someone to sell it up for you, so that will cost you a bit of money. You may pay for some channel art to be produced, so you'll have to pay out money for that. So at that stage, money is flowing out of your bank account. But I mean, let's be sensible here. It's not a liability at that stage. Basically, when you really need to start determining whether your YouTube channel is an asset or a liability is when you've got everything set up, and you're then starting to engage with people, you're starting to look to drive people to your YouTube channel and to your videos. So basically, where you're at the position where you've produced your first video and you've got a number of call to actions in there. Now, those call to actions might be for people to download a free cheat sheet, for example, and then from that free cheat sheet, there might be an upsell to an ebook that you're selling for, say, $7, might be an upsell to a course, an online course that you produced that you might be selling for $197, or it might be a link to an affiliate product or affiliate site, for example, whereby people can download the product that you recommend, pay for it, and you earn commission. It's only at that point where you need to say, well, actually, what I'm doing here with my YouTube channel and my videos now, am I generating a positive cash flow? If you are, great. That means your YouTube channel is an asset. If you're not, and you're still paying out for stuff, you're trying to drive people to your channel, to other videos, and you're spending money, then your YouTube channel becomes a liability. So that's the basic difference. It's a bit like when people talk about having an email list. People glibly say that an email list is an asset. Sorry. If your email list is generating positive cash flow, yes, it's an asset. If it's not, sorry, it's a liability, because you're having to pay out for autoresponder monthly fees. You may be employing the services of a VA to write blogs for you, to send out the email broadcasts and what have you. If that's costing you money, you're not getting anything in return, your email list is a liability. Same principle applies with your YouTube channel. So keep it simple: cash in, asset; cash out, liability. Hope this video has been of use to you. If you like the content, if you got some value from it, please click the like button below the video. Also, if you feel that this content will be of use to friends, family, business colleagues and associates, please share with them, hit the share button. If you'd like to leave a comment, obviously a positive one would be much appreciated, or pose a question, anything you want answered about YouTube videos, YouTube channels, please leave a comment in the comment box below this video. And if you like more tips, tactics and strategies on video marketing and business, please click the subscribe button, where you'll be able to get a video every week. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks ever so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.